Hello everybody, welcome back to my 1 minute cloud computing learning session. In this session I'll be talking about data lakes and I'll give you a pictorial explanation of the same. Let me start. A data lake is a repository for large quantities of and varieties of data, both structured and unstructured. Unlike the other approaches, whereas we have a database which is a particular format, we have an Excel sheet which has a particular format, or when we have a document like Microsoft Word where it has a particular format. A data lake is a repository of all kinds of data and all kind of varieties. And data generalist programmers can tap the stream for real-time analysis. So once this repository is created, people can use it for different purposes. One is actually data generalist or programmers can tap the stream data for real-time analytics. Okay, the lake can serve as a staging area for data warehousing, the location of more carefully treated data for reporting and analysis in the batch mode. What it actually means is once you have a repository and you can build a data warehousing approach or an application by pulling data from this. The data lake accepts input from various sources and can preserve both original data fidelity and lineage of data transformation. Data models emerge with usage over rather than being imposed upfront. What it actually means is data lake keeps collecting data from various sources, and depending on the question that is arised at any given moment, it can give you data to go further on that particular question, answering those questions. Data scientists use the lake for discovery and ideation. See, now that this has given a resource, it is possible that you can put an hypothesis, test whether it is true or not, or you can test an hypothesis by saying that whether the data in the data lake supports this or not. Data lakes take advantage of commodity cluster computing techniques for massively scalable, low-cost storage data in any format. So now that cloud computing is happening and it can give you on-demand resources for both storing and computing, data lake is a best application that can be thought of for managing data and also get insights as and when you want them.